Welcome to this video on the Model Context Protocol Standard, or MCP. This standard is designed to bridge the gap between AI models and the complex context they need to operate effectively. Artificial intelligence requires context to perform tasks accurately. This context includes data, tools, and the necessary permissions to access them. Currently, connecting AI to all necessary data and tools often involves custom, complex, and chaotic integrations. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, solves this by acting as a universal standard for context delivery. MCP delivers structured context, tools, and permissions to an AI model in a standardized and efficient manner. The architecture of MCP uses JSON RPC 2.0 to bridge the AI client within the host application and the server, which connects to various data sources. MCP standardizes the delivery of context providers, which supply information, and tools and actions, which enable the AI to perform tasks. Schemas within the MCP provide a clear, structured framework for defining context, ensuring consistency and machine readability. Permissions are strictly enforced by the protocol, ensuring secure and controlled access to sensitive data and tools for the AI. MCP replaces traditional, free-form text prompting with structured context and systematic, standardized integration, making it highly scalable. The 4 pillars of better AI, supported by MCP, are consistency, modularity, security, and improved reasoning. MCP powers modern AI tools across various applications, including AI copilots, enterprise systems, and coding IDEs. It is open source by Anthropic. The Model Context Protocol enables a single, universal connection, unlocking the potential for infinite context for your AI models.